Hello. In today's digital world, data security is more critical than ever. Businesses face increasing cyber threats, data breaches, and regulatory compliance challenges. ISO 27001-2013 certification is the gold standard for information security management. At Filings Corner, we help organizations secure their data, mitigate risks, and achieve seamless certification. What is ISO 27001-2013? Narrator. ISO 27001-2013 is an internationally recognized standard for information security management systems, ISMS. It helps organizations protect sensitive information, ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. Who needs ISO 27001-2013 certification? Narrator. This certification is essential for businesses handling sensitive data, including IT and software companies, secure software development, and cloud data storage. Financial institutions protect customer financial transactions and banking data. Healthcare providers safeguard patient records and medical data. E-commerce platforms ensure secure online transactions and customer data protection. Telecommunication providers protect network security and user communications. Consulting firms maintain strict client confidentiality and data security. Why is ISO 27001-2013 important? Narrator. With this certification, businesses can strengthen data security, prevent cyber threats and data breaches, ensure regulatory compliance, meet GDPR, HIPAA, and other global data protection laws. Manage risks effectively, identify, assess, and mitigate security risks. Build customer trust. Show clients and partners a commitment to security. Enhance business continuity, reduce downtime due to security incidents, improve operational efficiency, streamline data security policies and procedures. How Filings Corner helps in the certification process. Narrator. Here's how Filings Corner ensures a smooth and efficient certification process. 1. Consultation and risk assessment. Experts analyze your current security practices. 2. Documentation and policy implementation. We assist in preparing security policies and risk mitigation strategies. 3. Audit and compliance check. Ensure compliance with ISO 27001 security standards. 4. Certification issuance. Receive your official ISO 27001-2013 certification. Documents required. Narrator. Depending on your industry, key documents include business registration, GST, company incorporation, etc., information security policies and risk assessment reports, data protection policies and compliance records, incident management and IT security audit reports, employee cybersecurity training records. Why choose Filings Corner? Narrator. Why trust Filings Corner with your ISO 27001-2013 certification? Accredited ISO certification provider. Industry experts in cybersecurity and compliance. Tailored solutions for every business. Fast, hassle-free certification process. Confidential and secure data handling. Secure your business today. Narrator. Cyber threats are rising. Protect your organization with ISO 27001-2013 certification. Get in touch with Filings Corner today or visit filingscorner.com to start your certification process effortlessly.